Hey guys, get some canning jars. Here's the ingredients. I'll list them in the description of the video. You're going to want to cut some shallots or long onions. Get your carrots. I got these ones already pre-sliced. If not, you can cut them to look like this. Now you're going to want to boil them. Add 6 cups of water first though, roughly. And you're going to want to boil them for 5 minutes. And right after the 5 minutes is up, take it off the heat. You're going to want to go 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Mix that together. One cup of each. And while your carrots are boiling, getting your vegetables cut up. Get some onions, white onions, garlic. Yeah, cut a little notch in your garlic to release the flavor too. So again, you want to just have these on a light boil for 5 minutes. And then, to your vinegar, what you're going to want to do is add a tablespoon of oregano too. A little bit, plus or minus a little bit. And I added it to the vinegar there, which you don't necessarily want to do. You can add it to your carrots into the solution after you've boiled them. So see, you get a bunch of stuff stuck to the side, so don't recommend that. Just add it right to the pot there. Stir it all around. Again, this is off the heat. You've already boiled it. Now go ahead and start filling your jar up. Add the onions or shallots first, and just put the carrots in there. And you don't want to smash them in there, but pack it in there fairly tightly. Put your onions and garlic. And a bay leaf. If you got a bay leaf, I didn't mention. I'm not showing that in the video. Some bay leaves go good in there too. So you're going to want to add all your vegetables, and then you're going to want to add some peppercorn, right? Some whole peppercorn, and some salt also, which you'll see in just a little bit here. Add a couple of jalapenos. You can add them whole or sliced. Add a couple of palmfuls of those. Some salt. And what you want to do is just take and after you've got it filled up, just fill it up with all your brine there, your vinegar and water and oregano. Fill it up to the top. Cap it, and then you're going to want to shake it around, and it kind of displaces the water. So you'll see after you shake it around, you'll have a little bit extra room at the top, and then just go ahead and top it off. Then put it in the fridge, let it cool down, and then they're ready to go. And these babies are so good, and they get better over time too. So put them in the fridge, and you can eat them that night once they're cool. Next day, they'll stay good for at least a month. So, but I bet you they won't last that long. Good luck keeping them around for that long. These babies are good. All right, thanks for watching.